Happy Administrative Professionals Day. I hope that you take time out to enjoy yourselves. I know that there are some festivities planned for you. I wanted to take a few minutes out to express my sincere appreciation for what you do every day. I know throughout the pandemic that you have been the ones showing up, working hard, whether it be behind the desk, out in front doing the COVID screenings, out in the tents at Merrifield, glad that they're gone, providing support to the clinical team, or working back in the file room. I know that sometimes you may not feel like you're noticed and appreciated. I wanted to take time out to let you know that I see you. I see the hard work that you're doing, and I know that CSB could not accomplish its goals and its mission without you continuing to show up and work hard and do what you do every day. So my sincere thanks and appreciation for what you do. So I hope you have a great day and are able to take time out and enjoy time for yourself as well as with some of your colleagues. Take care. Bye-bye.
As part of our celebration of Administrative Professionals Day, I wish to convey my heartfelt appreciation to the administrative professionals at the CSB. You are the face of the CSB to our clients. You welcome our new employees, you support all CSB operations, and you respond to the needs of critical community stakeholders day in and day out. You are the link that connects all CSB functions, and you weave together all that we do, often in quiet and at times unrecognized ways. You consistently step up and in to fill critical gaps and respond to emerging needs.
Hello, and happy Administrative Professionals Day. I just want to take a moment out of our day to say thank you to all of our administrative professionals and to encourage everybody to do the same. Every year we celebrate the wonderful work of the administrative professionals, and this year is no different. Thank you so much for your kindness, your compassion, your skill, your dedication, your energy, and the welcome with which you give everyone who walks through our buildings. Thank you so much. We hope you feel all of the support and care we have for you today and every day.
Happy Administrative Professionals Day, team. Over the years, we have been able to learn to work together and be a more solid and well-connected team. Today, I want to celebrate each of you for your outstanding work and the unconditional support you provide to those we serve, both internal and external customers. Your dedication, compassion, and professionalism helps the CSB keep the lights on and continue to serve the vulnerable population that oftentimes walks through our doors. For that, I'm extremely grateful, not just today, but every day. I hope you enjoy the celebration, and again, thank you and happy Administrative Professionals Day.
Thank you for going above and beyond to keep our agency running smoothly and efficiently and just being all around lifesavers, not just today, but every single day. So happy Administrative Professionals Day to each and every one of you. Keep up the great job.
Hi, this is Bob McMurdo from the Gartland Center, wanting to wish all of admin a great Administrative Professionals Day. Thank you for all you do. I know I couldn't do it here at Gartland without the staff we have. The staff and the citizens of the Gartland area appreciate everything. I'm grateful to have you as my coworker. You're simply the best. You've heard that before from me somewhere. So you inspire us all. Have a great day, and thanks again.